Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about matrices. Okay, matrix. What is matrix basically? Matrix is an arrangement of numbers, okay, in rows and columns. For example, if we arrange it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and cover it by a bracket, we call this arrangement a matrix, right? So there are basically two rows. These lines are known as rows, so we can call it, this is R1, row 1, R2, row 2, right? And these are known as columns. We can call it C1, C2 and C3. So arrangement of numbers, or generally we call it as elements. Arrangement of elements in rows and columns are known as matrices. Okay. Now we denote all these individual elements, right, as Aij. Aij. What is I? What is J? I'll just let you know. Okay. So all these elements are denoted by Aij. Now I represents the rows, which row we are talking about, and J represents the column, which column we are talking about. So if I say we need to represent this 1, right? So my 1 will be represented by A11. A11 is 1. How? This is my first row and first column. Similarly, A12. 12 means first row, second column. So first row but second column. This combination will give me a second row. Similarly, A13 will be what? 3. What is this? 4. 4 will be my second row, first column. So A21, right? Second row, second column, A22. Second row, third column, right? So this is how we represent our elements of a matrix. Okay. So basically all rows, columns will be represented by this A11, A21, A12, A21, A23. Correct? Now next thing is order. Okay. Order of a matrix is basically defined as number of rows cross number of columns, right? How many rows are there and how many columns are there. For example, so basically in this matrix we have two rows and 3 columns. What is this? This is my order of a matrix. So order of matrix basically, now it will also tell you how many elements are there in this matrix. Just multiply the numbers. Okay. In this case it is 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Correct? So order of a matrix, fine with you, that number of rows multiply or cross number of columns. So we say it like 2 by 3. Okay. We read it like 2 by 3. So there can be different orders: 1 by 1, 1 to 1, 1 column only; 1 by 2, 1 row, 2 columns; 2 by 2, 2 row, 2 columns; 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 columns, like that. Correct? So matrix and its order, and this is how we represent our elements, right? So there may be some questions that prepare a 3 by 2 matrix. Suppose if I write a question, prepare a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements Aij is represented by I plus J by 2. Suppose this is my question. We need to prepare a 3 by 2 matrix whose all the elements is represented by Aij, which is equal to I plus J by 2. So 3 by 2 matrix means there are 3 rows. So basically R1, R2, R3 we can say, and two columns C1 and C2, right? This is what my A11, this is my A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32, right? We need to find these numbers. These numbers are defined by this formula. So my A11 will be 1 plus 1 by 2, putting values of I and j, right? So Aij is what? I plus j by 2. So my A11 will be 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 2 by 2, 1, right? What is my A12? It is 1 plus 2 by 2, which is 3 by 2. What is my A21? It is also 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. A22 will be 2 plus 2 by 2, which is 2, 3, 1, right? A32, 12 by 2. Clear? So we got all the numbers. So what we can do, we can just make a matrix. That is 1, 3 by 2, this is also 3 by 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 5 by 2. Bracket. This is my 3 by 2 matrix. Simple. So in this way you can prepare any order matrix. Okay, let us go to types of matrices. We have different types of matrices. First is rectangular matrix. So this any matrix in which the order R is not equal to C. Generally we represents R as M, number of rows as M and number of columns as N. So M is not equal to N, it means it is a rectangular matrix. This is my rectangular matrix. If M is equal to N, which is called as my square matrix. So there are two types of matrix we have. One is rectangular matrix and another is square matrix. When the number of rows and number of columns are different, then it is rectangular matrix, and when the numbers are same, numbers mean number of rows and number of columns are same, we call it as square matrix. Square matrix can be what? 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and similar. Clear? Okay, now in rectangular matrix we have two more specific matrix, which is row matrix. What is a row matrix? Row matrix is basically which have only one row, right? Only one row, like three elements are there, but all in one row. There are three columns, but the row is only one. So if we write the order will be written 1 by 3. Alright. So any row matrix, its order will be what? 1 multiplied by n. N can be anything, and number of columns can be anything. Second, column matrix. Similar to row matrix, okay? It will have only one column. Like we have 3 rows but only one column. Order will be like 3 by 1, or general it will be m by 1. Simple. So rectangular matrix we have m not equal to n, and what is row matrix? Row matrix where there is only one row. Column matrix where there is only one column. Clear? Next we will learn about square matrices. Okay, in a square matrix, basically there is one called as diagonal matrix. Okay, we are taking as 3 by 3 matrix. Let us take 3 by 3 matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay, now if the matrix in which all the other elements except this diagonal, there are two diagonals, this and this, but we are taking only from the top left corner. Okay, so if there are elements only in the one diagonal, which is only top left corner, okay, it is known as my diagonal matrix. This is a square matrix, 3 by 3, but all the other elements are what? 0. So we call it as diagonal matrix. Clear? Diagonal matrix. Similarly, in 2 by 2 also, what we can have? This is a diagonal matrix. Okay, where the other elements are 0, only diagonal elements are there. Right? Now, in diagonal matrix, if all the elements are same, in diagonal matrix, if all the elements are same, then we call it as scalar matrix. Right? So if all the elements of the diagonal matrix is same, we call it as scalar matrix. All diagonal elements are equal. Right? So this is another type of matrix. Right? Now in scalar matrix can be any diagonal matrix, any square matrix whose the diagonal elements are same, any number we can take. But if we take only one as this, right? In scalar matrix, any number can come, but if one is there, we call it as identity matrix. Right? Let's write it in formula form. Aij is equal to 1 for all I is equal to j, and 0 for all I not equal to j. What I have written? All the elements is 1 where I is equal to j, means 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. This is what? A11, A22, A33, and 0 if I is not equal to 0, means other elements. Right? So we have learnt about types of matrices like rectangular where m is not equal to n, number of rows not equal to number of columns, square matrix where number of rows is equal to number of columns, and in rectangular we had learned about the row matrix and the column matrix. Row matrix is basically what? When there is only one row, it is known as row matrix. When there is only one column, it is known as column matrix. Okay. In square matrix, we have number of rows is equal to number of columns. In square, if the elements are only at the top left diagonal, then it's called as diagonal matrix. If all the elements are same, we call it as scalar matrix. And in scalar only, if all the elements are 1, we call it as identity matrix. Clear?